It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys my quick and easy eyebrow routine. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, I'm going to be starting off with the Urban Decay De-Slick Primer. This is going to help to mattify my brow area because I am oily in the T-zone area and my brows do get very oily. I don't set it with powder because I like the way the De-Slick works on its own, but it's all optional. Now I'm taking this ANASTASIA spoolie. It's actually like a dual-sided brush, but I'm just taking the spoolie side to brush my brow hairs in place. And now of course I'm going to do that same thing to the other side. And today I'm just going to be using two different BROWIZ by ANASTASIA. They are by far like some of my favorite brow products to use, and I feel like they're super accessible because you guys can go to Ulta for them. So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna start off with the shade Granite or Granite or however you pronounce it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and outline my brows. Now I do exaggerate them a little bit on the top just because, as you guys can see, my brows are very sparse and thin. And yeah, you know, I just want a little bit of extra. So as you guys can see, I did exaggerate it just a little bit, but I'm lightly lining the perimeter of my brow, excuse me, just to like map out the shape that I want. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And of course I'm going to do that same thing to the other side. Now one of my brows is higher than the other one, so it doesn't always look the same. And most people, their brows don't look the same. If they do, you are blessed, girl. But for me, my brows just don't always look the same, so I just outline them just to how they are. So yeah, I'm just doing the same thing on this side, and I really like to use Granite to do that, but I do tread lightly with it because Granite is pretty dark. But I just like to use it because I feel like it just really helps to give me that defined shape. Now I'm gonna go in with the same pencil, which is Granite, and I'm going to fill in the back portion. And I'm filling in the back portion because I typically like my brows in the back to be more, I like them to be more like darker in the back, and I like the ombre effect, and then I like them to have like that light like ombre into a lighter color towards the front. I'm so sorry you guys, I'm so bad at talking, but yeah. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that same pencil and just fill in the back side. So now that I'm done filling in the back portion, I'm going to take the BROWIZ in Ebony, and I'm going to lightly apply like some very light strokes at the front of my brow, because as I mentioned before, I do like the lighter brow in the front. I like my brows to kind of just like slightly ombre, like not super ombre, but just, I don't know, I like it lighter in the front because I feel like even though I don't have a lot of hair there, I feel like it does go lighter towards the front. I noticed that even with my little tiny sparse brows. So I like to just apply a little bit of that in the front using like light hair strokes. And then I just like to brush it out with the spoolie just a little bit. And yeah, so that is the look that I like for my brows. It's optional. I do like the boxy brow. So now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Concealer in Chestnut, and then I'm going to go in with this brush by Morphe. I can't remember the actual number. Hopefully I will remember to list it in the description box below. But yeah, I'm just going to go in with Chestnut and clean up my brows. I really love the way this looks. I used to do it like very sloppily and lazy. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. And it looked okay, but I love the way the precise, like just me like cleaning them up precisely looks a lot better. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and slowly just cleaning them up just to give them like that really nice like clean look. So after I get everything all nice like I like it, I'm taking this random brush. I got it in a gift set that somebody purchased for me from Ulta, so it's just like a random brush, but I like to just go ahead and take that. You could take like a really big dense brush. I don't know, just use one that's like fluffy that you can like blend out liquid concealer with. But this is pretty much my brows. Hope you guys like this easy tutorial. Okay, divas, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed my simple brow routine. These are the brows that I've been going for lately. My brows are like really rocky. I feel like last year, like some days they would look good, and then I get oily in this area, so they will wipe off often because I was not using a primer. I don't know where I put that primer, but I was not using like a mattifying primer, and I see that my eyebrows really need that because they are so, like, I'm very oily in this area, so I should have done that a while ago. But I'm glad that I'm happy I'm just doing it now, because it just, like, my brows are going to stay put and they won't get oily and look all crazy. So yeah, I feel like this eyebrow tutorial was really simple. Like, it's right to the point, and I love the fact that I was able to just use pencils. I do like to use like the dip brow, but sometimes the dip brow can make your brows like go from like 0 to 1,000 real quick, like, because you know it gets like very dramatic really fast. This is like my everyday. If I was to be going somewhere and I wanted my brows to be super dramatic, I would definitely probably use dip brow on the outer perimeter. But however, this is what I do every day because it's super simple. I just grab my 2 pencils and, you know, go about my business. But anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this brow tutorial. If you guys would like to see like a drugstore version, then definitely let me know. It'll pretty much be the same thing, but just using drugstore products. So yeah, but just let me know if you guys would like to see that. But yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.